Have you ever considered that love might just be the easiest and most effective way to begin our search for self-realization? To just dive into our heart center and sit in the silence. And in that silence, to desire self-realization with all your heart, with all your mind, and all your soul. I think if you do that, everything will sort of take care of itself. I mean, part of the journey towards self-realization is really setting aside the necessary time to come home to ourselves. So part of learning how to come home to ourselves is knowing how to love ourselves, which requires being aware of how we spend our time. Through mindfulness practice, we can really begin to eliminate a lot of purposeless daily activities and begin to prioritize, which will inevitably free up time in order to focus on a more purpose-driven life. I mean, simply observe and see how we try to keep ourselves forever entertained and distracted, playing video games, mindlessly scrolling social media without purpose, watching television, or abusing drugs and alcohol, all because we think if we don't, we'll somehow experience the past suffering all over again, whether consciously or subconsciously. But see that these are just thoughts and therefore illusory. The truth is, if you really want to help yourself, you need to love yourself. To calm the thoughts of your anxious mind, fear not and simply love yourself without judgment. Dare to push away, or better yet, simply ignore those inner thoughts that sabotage you. When we truly love and accept ourselves, we eventually come to realize that we all have internal struggles and personal challenges, and that to understand everything is to forgive everything. So don't let anyone make you feel bad about yours. Don't make your ability to love yourself conditional on someone else's ability to love you, because that is really just a reflection or projection of the fact that they haven't figured out how to love themselves. For as long as you do it to yourself, you will do it to everyone. You will not love anyone or anything until those eyes in the mirror soften up and embrace that beauty within already there. We have to learn how to be comfortable within ourselves and focus on making our own home within. Once we have a spiritual path, then we have a home. Because to know oneself is to be blissful always. In other words, once we can deal with our own emotions and handle the difficulties of our daily life, then we really have something to offer another person. For who will we love if not ourselves? Other people? How can you say you love someone if it is not for first loving your own flaws and quirks, snorts and hurts, triggers and tears? Anything else is not love, it's idealization. So, love who you are, for you are love itself. Namaste.